Testing out my DIY rain barrel I just put together. Let's see if the water... Okay, it's coming out. Let's see how I close it. Oh, it's closed up good. Make sure no... Look at that. I'll be able to put a hose on the end of that. And spray my water around in the yard. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to be collecting a lot of rain water from now on. Okay, let's see. It's coming out. Let me close it up. Turns it off good. Great. This is going to be my rain barrel. This is going to be my super juice fertilizer container. And I have a nozzle on it too, so I want to feed my plants with the super juice. All I got to do is just, I'm going to put a hose on the end of this here and I'm going to spray it around in my yard. Make sure it's rain water's going to be able to drain out of it. I'm putting holes all in the top of my one that I'm going to collect the rainwater with. And I'm going to put some netting on the inside of here, so no bugs or anything will be getting in there in the water. Okay, rainwater. Got me a trash can from Walmart and bought me the little nozzles here, faucet nozzles, to be able to turn the water on and off with. Getting it together in Big Mama's garden. Have my rain barrel and my fertilizer, super juice fertilizer, set up over in this area. Got me 2 trash cans, and I still have my old container that I had getting rainwater from. I keep that, and I put little nozzles on them where I can turn and get the rainwater and the super juice fertilizer out of here for the plants. Then over here I have my Meyer lemon tree over here, and my Meyer lemon that I grew from seeds from lemons grown on the mother plant, so she get to see her baby plant coming over here next to her. So I have 2 lemon trees. Come on, little one, get bigger and produce some lemons for us. Ah. Look at the mother out here touching her baby tree here next to her. Lemon tree. Yes, come on, give me some more lemons this season. My new little setup. My raised bed's gonna go here. Let me get busy putting this together.